Hello students, welcome to online class organized by South Cantonese boarding schools. In previous class, I will discuss about binary system. Okay, but today, just I teach you binary system. It is common chapter for class 7 and 8. Here is class 8 subject. It is one of the common chapter 4, 7 and 8. Okay, 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, quinary system. Quinary number system. What do you mean by quinary system? The system using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. In quinary number system, number using 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 is called quinary number system. Okay, the number using 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 is called quinary number system. Okay, so how can you convert quinary number system into decimal number system and decimal number system into quinary number system? Just for taking one examples. Now suppose 1, 2, 3. Now it is quinary because its base is quinary. Okay, so this if we convert into decimal number system. Number system. Okay, how can it convert into decimal number system? Solution. Its base is 5, so you multiply by 5. 1 into 1, 2, 3, 5. 1 multiply its base is 5. In binary systems, multiply by 2 because their base is 2. Okay, so their base is 5 because it's by binary systems. So multiply by 5 plus, then after 2 multiply 5 again plus, and 3 multiply 5, and same process of binary. Put power according to right side in ascending order. Okay, 0, 0 after 1, 2 multiply 5 power 2, it means 25, it means 5 into 5, 2 into 5 power 1, 5 plus 3 into the power of any number is 0 is answer is 1. Okay, so 1 into 5 into 5, it means 1 5 ja 5, 5 ja 25, 2 5 ja 10, 3 1 ja 3. So its answer is J 25 in 35 or 3 38. Now its question is changed. The right answer is 38. Okay. Similarly, now 38 is decimal, so just I am 38 convert into quinary. Okay, so 38 that is decimal, 38 convert into quinary number system. Okay, solution 38. The remainder is right here. Okay, same method of binary. It is quinary number, so it divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35. Remainder is 3. Again 5 1s are 5. Remainder is 7 2. So our answer is 38. The decimal of 38 answer is 1 2 3. So, okay, it's the process binary change into decimal and decimal change into binary. This number is called binary. Why? Because its base is 5, so it's called, sorry, its base is 5, so it's called binary. Suppose their base is 2, it is called binary. Okay. Now, no any base is given. It means you understand it is decimal numbers. Okay. Next example. Example number 2. 1 2 3 1 0 1 1. This is the example mix of binary and quinary. Okay, convert into quinary number system. How can you convert this binary into quinary number system? First of all, no any process binary convert into quinary direct. Okay, first of all, binary number convert into decimal number system. Then that decimal number system convert into quinary number system. Okay, so see here solution 1 0 1 1. Now this is binary system. Its base is 2, so the 1 is multiplied by 2. Okay, and 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2, and 1 is also multiplied by 2. First of all, 1 is multiplied by 2, 0 is multiplied by 2, 1 is multiplied by 2, then plus 1 is multiplied by 2. Same process, power is increasing by right side, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 multiplied 2 to the power 3 is 8, 0 multiplied 2 to the power 2 is 4, 1 multiplied 2 to the power 1 is 2, 1 multiplied 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 it's 8 plus 0 to the 0 plus 1 to the 2 plus 1. It means 8 to 10 1 11. Now it is decimal again. Now 11. Now it is decimal systems. How can you convert to quinary? The remainder is here. 5 to the 10. Remainder is what? 1. Okay. So the answer is 11. Now it is decimal system, decimal number system, and quinary is 2 1. This is 5. So this is answer. Okay. So any quinary number system, otherwise binary number system, how can you convert to quinary? Similarly, just I am taking one example. Okay. How can you convert quinary number system into binary? Okay. Suppose 2 1. Suppose 2 1 is one of the quinary convert into binary. Okay. Example number 3. Solution. First of all, 21 now it is quinary, so quinary convert into decimal. Okay. So 21 binary. Its base is 2, so 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1 multiplied by 5. Power increasing from right side. Okay. 0 1. It means 2 into 5 to the power 1 is 5 plus 1 into 5 to the power 0 is it means 1. So the answer is 10 plus 1 11. Okay. So now 11 is decimal number system. So decimal convert into binary. 11 and remainder is here. So 2 5s are 10, remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, and 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. So our answer is what? 11 decimal. So our answer 21. It means quinary binary numeration system is answer is 1 0 1 1. It's binary number system. This is our answer. Okay. So this is the process. How can you change binary number system into binary number system into binary, otherwise binary number system into decimal, and decimal number system into binary, otherwise binary number system into decimal, and decimal number system into binary. Okay, just 4-way, and by the help of given 4-way you continue your exercise. Okay, next day I will teach next chapter, operation of otherwise number system, next chapter. Okay, thank you all of you.